Headphone connected. Mesh intercom on. Open mesh. Channel 1.
I'm looking around for the Cruiseman.
Oh, Don, can you see me? I'm here.
Hey, Cruiseman.
Ready for a ride.
I can see you, and our Sena is connected automatically.
Oh, cool.
All right, where are we going?
So Don Smith and I are out for a ride, and we're testing out the Sena 50S, the intercom, the mesh intercom, mesh 2.0, I should say. And Don has got a rig where he's recording everything on a separate recorder so that he can record the group ride. So we're going to see how this works. Don will do a video showing you how he rigged this all up. Or by the time you see this, he's probably already created the video.
Yeah, I work fast.
So I'll definitely put a link in my video to his and in my description, so keep an eye out for Don's video on how he records a group ride.
And how I rigged up this rig to get both the helmet audio and my voice audio on a stereo track. Well, I have it in its prototype stage right now, and when the rest of the parts come in, it'll be streamlined, a much smaller recorder. Right now I've got a very large Zoom H4n.
I did notice one issue that I've had with the 50S, and I've had it the last few days. I'm not sure what's causing it, but every now and then I get a really loud message in my speakers that says, "Intercom failed, try again later."
I have not gotten that, but I so far I've only used it in mesh intercom, open mesh.
But this connection's pretty clear. Are you getting any of my wind?
No.
I'm getting a little bit of your wind noise, and it could be the way we rigged up that mic. Well, no, that was a different microphone, wasn't it?
Well, I will close the helmet.
But the mesh intercom does a really good job of muting the radio. Whoa, I hit something.
What was that?
I don't know what that was. I think I hit it, whatever it was.
Sounded like a backfire.
Yeah, it might have been a bolt or something. I'm not sure what it was.
But you're hearing me okay now. But you're hearing me okay now, right?
I am hearing you fine. I thought I'd turn right. We'll go down to residential street.
Okay, I'm closing the helmet. Does the audio sound any better with the closed helmet?
Probably about the same. It's a little better, less wind noise. I was getting quite a bit of wind noise.
Okay, I'll keep the helmet visor closed, even though it becomes, you know, a floral hothouse, and it's hot in here in this helmet.
Right. You know, I really can't tell that much difference. I'm still getting a little bit of that noise, so you can go ahead and open it up. Might as well be comfortable.
Might as well.
So I guess it works pretty well, don't you think?
I think it works beautifully. Yeah, it's supposed to be bi-directional, or what do they call what's the word?
Like a duplex?
Duplex, exactly.
Yeah, well, it's working really good.
I mean, when we get like 3, 4, 5 guys on the mesh intercom, you know, you can't lock out all of them but one when one speaks. You know, you have to be duplex on all of them.
That's right, yeah.